All right, gonna give you a quick tour of our living quarters up here. That's our little heater. Here's some extra stuff, just keep them around. And there we are. There's our nice, cozy, warm bed. Our bed to wall carpeting. We come out. We got this little tarp here because it keeps the warmth back here, but lets the air circulate. And then we got our coffee table slash closet. I got another cabinet here. I'm getting ready to install. We got our couch. I got Walter couch carpet. It comes down here underneath. We got our dinner table. I got another cabinet, cooler for storage, dirty clothes. All right, another cabinet there, little table, our porta potty, and cooking area, snacks, just like that. And we got our wash area here that is just perfect for us. There's a little heater in there, runs off of electric, but we do have the stuff we need to do it. Here we are. And we're out here to the front porch. Ding dong ding dong ding dong doo. There we are. Typical day. It's a little cloudy. And we got our main cooking area over here. And come back around. Front porch. All right, there we are. Done.